Welcome to DUDR Academy. This is the continuation of discussion of the previous year questions of ESI Staff Nurse 2016 question paper. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and get the notifications. So first is the first pair of teeth to erupt in children is options: cuspids, incisors, molars, canines. The right answer is incisors. Antihelminthic drugs are used for the treatment of disorders caused by dash organisms. Options: worms, protozoa, virus, bacteria. Right answer is worms. Normal gestational period of a human being is 9 months to 89 days, 10 months to 80 days. Right answer is 280 days. The process of tightening of the fibrin clot in such a way that the ruptured area of the blood vessel gets smaller and smaller, thus decreasing the hemorrhage, is called synarthrosis, fibrinolysis, fibrositis, syneresis. Right answer is syneresis. Rapid and irregular pulse rate and presence of heart murmur are the signs of acute rheumatic fever, myocardial infarction, angina pectoris, rheumatoid arthritis. Answer is acute rheumatic fever. Clark's rule is used for evaluating the IQ of a child, evaluating the child's mental growth, estimating the pediatric dosage of drugs, evaluating child's physical growth. Answer is estimating the pediatric dose of drugs. Next question. A community denotes dash in community health. People assigned for same care, people who share some attribute of their lives, people of a small region, people from same religion. Answer is people who share some attribute of their lives. Next question. When the occipital prominence escapes under the symphysis pubis and the head no longer recedes between uterine contractions, it is called restitution of the head, crowning of the head, extension of the head, external rotation of the head. Answer is crowning of the head. First stage of labor lasts for dash hours in primigravida. Options 2, 11, 8, 6. Right answer is 11. Name the gas that causes global warming. Options: nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. Answer is carbon dioxide. A ventricular shunt is used in the treatment of disease cardiomegaly, pleural effusion, hydrocephalus, ascites. Answer is hydrocephalus. Which of these is not the sign of preeclampsia? Proteinuria, pyrexia, high blood pressure, edema. Answer is pyrexia. Which is the safest method of sterilizing milk? Options: boiling, simmering, freezing, pasteurizing. Answer is pasteurizing. Vagotomy is a surgical treatment for nerve disorder, peptic ulcer, regurgitation, hepatitis. Answer is peptic ulcer. In dash disease, the symptom in children is described as driven by motor. ODD, contact disorder, OCD, ADHD. Answer is ADHD. The ozone layer blocks dash from the sunlight, infrared radiations, both UV and red radiations, then UV radiations. Answer is UV radiations. Dash is the drug used in the procedure of maintaining CVP. Options: atropine, xylocaine, heparin, dopamine. Answer is heparin. Dash is a genetic disorder found in females due to the absence of a normal second sex hormone. Options: Turner syndrome, Rett syndrome, Asperger's syndrome, Down syndrome. Answer is Turner syndrome. Dash is the center of community health care. Options: public gatherings, PHC, family, schools. Answer is family. Dash is the wrong term used for the lochia in the purpurium. Options: Lochia venosa, Lochia rubra, Lochia serosa, Lochia alba. Answer is Lochia venosa. Skeletal muscles under microscope have cross striations formed by dark and light bands. The dark bands are formed by the protein myosin, mycium, choronin, actin. Answer is myosin. Dash is a congenital narrowing of the opening of the foreskin so that it cannot be retracted. Options: phimosis, stenosis, stricture, fistula. Answer is phimosis. Anaphylaxis is the term used in Dash condition. Options: pyrexia of unknown cause, allergic reaction, prognosis of disease, excessive sleep. Answer is allergic reaction. The causative agent of chickenpox, a contagious skin disease in human, is human bocavirus, varicella zoster virus, Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus. Answer is varicella zoster virus. Doing repetitive rituals or movements is associated with Dash disease. Options: acute stress disorder, dissociative disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, generalized anxiety disorder. Answer is obsessive compulsive disorder. Immediate and spontaneous care is needed by a community health nurses in accidents, environmental disaster, epidemic diseases, communal rivalry. Answer is environmental disaster. In quintuplex, how many babies are present? Options: 6, 7, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by adding bleaching powder, chlorine, potassium permanganate, washing soda. Answer is washing soda. Formation of pustule in the area of eyelash follicle is called. Options: ptosis, conjunctivitis, glaucoma, stye. Answer is stye. Dash is the temperature for tepid sponging. Options: 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, 18 to 25 degrees Celsius, 27 to 37 degrees Celsius, 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. Right answer is 27 to 37 degrees Celsius. Dash is the conditions of having stones in the gallbladder. Options: choledocholithiasis, cholecystitis, cholelithiasis, calculi. Answer is cholelithiasis. Dash is a disease that can be caused due to infected milk. Options: anthrax, gastritis, tonsillitis, rheumatic fever. Answer is anthrax. Sleeping sickness is caused by mosquito, housefly, tsetse fly, sandfly. Answer is tsetse fly. Weil's disease is spread from the contact of monkeys, rats, puppies, cows. Answer is rats. In an emergency, when the patient is unable to state his blood group, it is safer to cross-match with dash blood group. Options: AB negative, O negative, AB positive, A negative. Answer is O negative. Dash is a protrusion of an organ, tissue or structure through the walls of the cavity in which it is normally contained. Options: cyst, hernia, fistula, lump. Right answer is hernia. Next question. Neonatal death occurs within dash period. Options: 1 week, soon after birth, 2 days, first day. Right answer is 1 week. Dash is an acute disturbance of consciousness, change in cognition that develops over a brief period. Options: dementia, delirium, hallucination, amnesia. Right answer is delirium. Cerebral malaria is caused by options: Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae. Right answer is Plasmodium falciparum. Dash is a term used to describe the insufficient amount of amniotic fluid. Options: polyhydramnios, hyperemesis, oliguria, oligohydramnios. The right answer is oligohydramnios. Next question. Chewing tobacco may cause options: impaired vision, oral cancer, diarrhea, ulcer. Right answer is oral cancer. Next question. Which of these is not a congenital heart disease? Options: tetralogy of Fallot, tricuspid atresia, ischemic heart disease, atrial septal defect. Right answer is ischemic heart disease. Next question. Incubation period of poliomyelitis is options: 1 month, 1 to 3 days, 7 to 14 days, 1 to 2 weeks. Right answer is 7 to 14 days. Dash is a permanent method of contraception. Options: vasectomy, copper devices, condom, birth pills. Right answer is vasectomy. Next question. When is the post maturity of pregnancy considered? Options: after 40 weeks, after 43 weeks, after 41 weeks, after 42 weeks. Right answer is after 42 weeks. Next question. Side to side curvature of the spine is called dysplasia, kyphosis, scoliosis, epiphysis. The right answer is scoliosis. A strong, persistent and irrational fear of some specific object or situation that presents little or no danger to a person is called insomnia, phobia, amnesia, syncope. Right answer is phobia. Dash is characterized by proteinuria, hypoalbuminemia and edema. Options: urinary tract infection, renal failure, acute glomerulonephritis, nephrotic syndrome. The right answer is nephrotic syndrome. Dash is a means of standardizing the method of evaluating and recording the condition of the baby in numerical terms at 1 minute after birth and if necessary after 5 minutes. Options: Burstian scoring, Apgar scoring, Silverman scoring, Aldrich scoring. Right answer is Apgar scoring. So thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it and press the bell button to get the notifications.